Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Kayla Myers. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration of the OnBase Client, also known as the OnBase Thick Client. The OnBase Client is locally installed on the desktop and connects directly to the OnBase ODBC source that is also installed on the desktop. There is no application server or web server needed to access the OnBase Client. The OnBase Client, or OnBase Thick Client, is just one of many ways to access your OnBase software. As soon as you log in, you have document retrieval, where you're able to search for a document that's already in your system. And then from there, the options will vary depending on the modules and licenses you have. But for the OnBase administrators, the key thing that we will use is this admin option here. And from here, we can see all our different options. We have our import manager, export manager, any print distributions, any reports, exception and physical. There are the advanced capture configuration within the client, platter management, disk groups, records management, autofill keyword sets, transaction logs, workflow logs, scanning reports, user management, so to assign or remove licenses for a device or a user. Our utilities, all our document locks, process locks, folder and document maintenance, document distribution, document retention, knowledge transfer, and our signature administration. Other items that you can do within the OnBase Client, of course, is to retrieve a document, scan a document. You can rearrange how you see the client if you want to modify the options on your toolbar. If you maybe want to change your user options. At startup, maybe you want to launch something other than document retrieval. All those options are available for you within the OnBase Client. In the Processing tab, this is where all this scans are ran, which of course you can do in other clients. Your colds, your diffs, your XMLs, drips, all those different processes are all ran here. And if you open one of these processes, this is where you can see if something was incomplete, if something's awaiting to commit, and all the documents that did already commit. Of course, then you also have all your jobs that you have created already listed so you can see where they're at. So the OnBase Client is still very much used in the OnBase world, especially for the OnBase administrators. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at RPI and have a great day. Thank you so much.